We continue congruent triangles, and in this video we discuss NCERT exercise 7.3. In the previous video we discussed two theorems, SSS congruency criterion and RHS congruency criterion. So let us see the problems based on it. Question number 1, exercise 7.3. Triangle ABC and BBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. There are two triangles. ABC and DBC. Triangle ABC and BBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. So triangle ABC and BBC are isosceles on same base BC. These two triangles, triangle ABC, which is isosceles, it means side AB equals to AC, side BD equals to CD, and they lie on base BC. And vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. These two vertices A and D lie on the same side of the BC. If AD is extended, AD is extended to intersect BC at P. AD is extended to intersect BC at P. So show that triangle ABD. Show that the first part is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Congruent to triangle ACD. This is the first part which we have to prove. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Then the second part, triangle ABP. Triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Then the third part, AP bisects angle A as well as angle B. AP bisects angle A and angle B. AP bisects angle A and angle B. Means we have to prove that this angle equals to this angle and this BDP equals to CDP. Angle side AB bisects angle A and angle B. Then the fourth part, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC, means 90 degree. 90 degree angle APB is 90 degree and also BP equals to CP. So the fourth part is AP is the perpendicular bisector. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So let us start. The first part, we have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So for first part, in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, in triangle ABD and ACD, AB equals to AC. We have given AB equals to AC because we have given in the question that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So side AB of triangle ABD, side AB of triangle ABD and side AC of triangle ACD, AB equals to AC, given. Then BD is equals to CD because also we have given that DBC is also an isosceles triangle. So side DB, side BD equals to CD, BD equals to CD. This is also given. And AD is common side for both the triangle. So side AD is equals to AD, which is common for both the triangle. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SSS congruency. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SSS congruency. And if triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, it means this angle, means angle BAD must be equals to angle CAD by CPCD. So angle BAD equals to angle CAD by CPCD. Angle BAD equals to angle CAD by CPCD. And we suppose, let it first equation, angle BAD equals to angle CAD by CPCD. Now the second part which we have to prove, that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ACP. ABP is congruent to ACP. So for second part, in triangle ABP and triangle ACP, in triangle ABP and ACP, AB equals to AC, AB equals to AC. In triangle ABP, side AP, side AB, and in triangle ACP, side AC. Because triangle ABC is isosceles, so AB equals to AC given, and just we have proof by CPCT. We have proved by CPCT that angle BAD, just we have proved. Equation number first, we have proved that angle BAD equals to angle CAD. But this can also be written as angle BAP. Angle BAP is equals to angle CAP. Angle CAP. Because in both the angle is A, the middle part. So BAD can be written as BAP and CAD can be written as CAP. So here AB equals to AC and angle BAP is equals to angle CAP. Proved earlier. And side AP is common for both the triangle. AP equals to AP. So by side angle side, by SAS, these two triangles becomes congruent. By SAS, these two triangles are congruent. So triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by side angle side. Name it second number equation. Triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by SAS criterion. And if these two triangles ABP and ACP are congruent, then by CPCT, BP is equals to CP. So BP is equals to CP, and this is by the second part we have proved, and BP equals to CP by CPCT. Name it third number equation. BP equals to CP. Name it third number equation. So from first, BAD equals to CAD. The third part which we have to find, that AP bisects angle A. So from first, BAD equals to CAD. Angle BAD equals to angle CAD, which can also be written as Proved